In this video, I just want to remind you how to find the coordinates of a point. Now, remember that the coordinates of a point, what that really is these. It's just describes the location of a point on a graph. It tells us where it is, and actually, it turns out it tells us how to get there. It's sort of a road map to get to that point. Now, the coordinates we always start from here, right? And we're going to tell how to get from the center, this origin 0, 0, how to get to each point using the coordinates. So let's find the coordinates of this point up here. So the coordinates are going to be in this kind of form right here, where it's x and y, where x represents how far you go left and right. Right? So if I go from this point at the origin up to this point, I'm going to go to the right. Yeah, I'm going to go this way, and then I'm going to go up. Now, whenever I move to the right, that's a positive number. And whenever I move up, that's a positive number. But if I move to the left, it's going to be a negative number. And if I move down, it's also going to be a negative number. All right? So let's try this. I'm going from the origin to this red point up here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. This guy is right here, so it's 6. So that means I've moved 6 places to the right. And remember, the first number tells me how far I went to the right, so I put a 6. And now to go from here, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get to this point. So the coordinates of that are 6, 5. Again, it's because we always start at the origin. If these are directions to how to get to that point, we all have to agree, if we're going to follow these directions, that we start from the same place. So start from the origin, I go 6 to the right, I go up 5, the coordinates are 6, 5. Let's do this one now. Again, I start from the origin. Now I'm going to go to the same 6 I went before to the right, but I also have to go one more, right, out to here. And so this is going to be 7, because I went 7 to the right. Remember, when you go to the right, it's positive, right? So I went 7, and then from here I have to go down 1, 2, I have to go down 3. And since I'm going down, right, down is a negative number, so the coordinates of this are just 7, negative 3. All right, 2 more to go. Let's do this. Let's do this guy right here. Again, we start at the origin, so sometimes this helps to make a dotted line to figure out where we're at. So we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I went 9, right, all the way across here was 9, but because I went left, right, remember left, that's a negative number, so this is negative 9, right, that's the first coordinate. And then from here I go down 1, 2, 3, so the coordinates of this are going to be negative 9, negative 3. Negative, and again, both are negative because I went left and down, which are the 2 negative directions. Last one. We do this one. Similar thing. I always start at the origin. Well, we went 9 was to here. We have to go 1, 2 more. So all the way across here must be a negative 11, right? That's an 11. And then from here we go up 1, up 2 to get to the point. So the coordinates of that one are 11, 2. Again, the coordinates are just, it's a road map for how to get from the center, from the origin of the graph to that point. Done.